Here are the two teams for tonight's show. The Warriors and the Gladiators, comprising some of our Schools Challenge quiz sponsors and members of the TVJ family. This is a special match celebrating the 55th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge quiz. Let's meet the teams, starting with Warriors.
Hi, Nick Williams, Marketing and Special Project Supervisor for the RJ Gino Group, and today I'm representing the winning Warriors.
Hi, my name is Kevin Williams, representing Yomi, Trade Marketing Coordinators, and we're the winning Warriors.
Hi, my name is Jessica McKay, Marketing Officer for Kingston Bookshop, where we're celebrating our story, inspiring yours.
Hi, I'm Kirk Wright, reporter, producer for the newsroom, and I'm on the winning team.
Thank you so much, Warriors. And now we meet the members of the Gladiators team.
Hi, my name is Joel Henriquez. I am currently representing Sagicor, and I operate in the capacity of junior business analyst.
My name is Romain Lewis. I am a publishing agent with Kingston Bookshop, and I'm representing the mighty Gladiators today.
Hi, I'm Lauren Mafood, the marketing manager at Tradewind Citrus Limited, and I'm representing True Juice today, which is a juice of Jamaica, and I encourage you to keep it true always.
Hi, I'm Giovanni Dennis. I am representing the mighty Gladiators. I played quiz in 2009, and we're happy to be competing against the highly fancied Warriors. Or so they say.
Thank you so much, Gladiators. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special match featuring some of our valued sponsors and members of our own family here at TVJ. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. Our valued sponsors have been supporting this competition, and our team here at TVJ is proud to have brought you this competition for 55 unbroken years. But it's time to find out if tonight's players have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to survive this challenge. Let's find out. This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and the Gladiators won, and they decided to go first. So we begin with the Gladiators. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Gladiators, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which king wrote much of the book of the Psalms?
David.
Correct. Warriors, Bible knowledge. Which king wrote the book of the Proverbs?
Solomon.
Correct. Jamaican affairs for Gladiators. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Edmund Bartlett. Edmund Bartlett.
Correct. Minister of Tourism. Jamaica affairs for Warriors. Jamaican affairs for Warriors. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Darrell Vaz.
Correct. Minister of Science, Energy and Technology. General knowledge for Gladiators. What is the tagline for True Juice brand in Jamaica?
Out of many, one juice, True Juice.
Correct. General knowledge for Warriors. In which parish in Jamaica are the True Juice orchards located?
St. Catherine.
Correct. This is a visual one, so look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delia Harris. Delia Harris.
Correct. And another television visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Warriors.
Titus.
Glenn Titus.
Right.
Campbell.
A.K.A. Titus.
Glenn Campbell.
Yes, we'll accept. English language. Gladiators, what is the past tense of the verb to run?
Run.
Correct. English language for Warriors, what is the past participle of the verb to ring?
Wrong.
Correct. Sports for Gladiators. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Elaine Thompson Hera. Elaine Thompson Hera.
Correct. Sports for Warriors. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ansel Parchment.
Correct. Gladiators. General knowledge. Is the minimum to open a Sagicor Bank Star Savers account $200, $500, or $1,000?
$200.
Correct. Warriors. General knowledge. At what age can children qualify for a debit card with a Sagicor Bank Star Savers account? Is it 10, 13, or 15?
10.
Incorrect. 13. Music for Gladiators. Listen to the following clip. Identify the artist.
Just flying, and when I reach my destination, I will feel the smiling.
Freddie McGregor.
Correct. Music for Warriors. Listen to this clip. Identify the artist, please.
Those were the days.
Very similar.
Correct. Social studies for Gladiators. How many years of independence did Jamaica celebrate in 2023?
23 is at 61.
61
years.
Correct. Social studies for Warriors. Who was Jamaica's first Prime Minister after independence?
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Gladiators. According to the Jamaican ring game, what is in a pen and can't get out?
Bull.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Warriors. According to the Jamaican folk song, who is a trouble to a man?
A woman.
Incorrect. Shiny gal. Mathematics for Gladiators. What is the product of 10,000 and 0?
Zero.
Correct. Mathematics for Warriors. What is the largest number with 3 digits?
999.
Correct. Jamaican affairs for Gladiators. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Wanty can't getty.
Getty no wanty. Getty no wanty.
Correct. Jamaican affairs for Warriors. Complete the Jamaican proverb. The higher monkey climb.
More exposed.
Correct. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Warriors on 10 and the Gladiators are on 12. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. The special Match in Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns right after these messages.